Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to sell your Kaspa coin. Make sure you install the centralized exchange known as KuCoin. Once you've opened up this centralized exchange, make sure you have an account. And if you do not have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses when you register and verify your account. So guys, in order to sell your Kaspa, simply click on the deposit. And once you've selected the deposit icon, simply search for KAS, that's Kaspa. Once you've selected Kaspa, click on the Kaspa token and simply click on Kaspa network and copy the wallet address. Once you've copied this wallet address, you can deposit your Kaspa coins or your Kaspa tokens here. Once you've deposited the Kaspa token, head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll from the overview to the funding or trading, depending on where your Kaspa is stored. So guys, head to the home icon. Once there, simply click or scroll over to the convert option that's here. So once you've clicked on convert, simply enter the amount of Kaspa you wish to convert to USDT. So let's say I've got 21 Kaspa and I want to convert 10. So all I need to do is click on the confirm option and click on confirm once more. And the Kaspa has been exchanged to USDT. And if you head over to the assets menu and reload, you'd find your USDT is present. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.